course. Right up top there.
Yes, miss.
Oh, that's sad. Blackberry muffin. Would you like whipped cream on the macchiato?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Plain, can I go with butter? That's the way they have the latte.
Sorry about that. There's caramel macchiato.
Oh. So the owl will watch my coffee and I'll finish the video.
Do you want all the way filled?
And try not to video people. There's a lot of people coming and going in here. Somebody left a duck. They must be a cheaper. Some stuff you would want. I found my coffee. Yes, I did. Fergie's or Fernie's or the sun's in the way too, but there's really cool. Fernie's in the Mountain Hood Village, right by the Mountain Hood Village Market. Everybody's getting up this morning, that's for sure. I've been driving around on trails for an hour, a couple hours. I need coffee. I knew the trails would finally get off of them and go find me coffee.